Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Cat from Sam and Cat on Dress to Impress. So for the outfit, I did use 2 VIP items, so let's get started with the video. Just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just the hair. Select this hair and toggle it to no bangs, color it this red. Position the Y at 0.47, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.45. Then I also selected this hair in the back toggle in that same color, and I made no adjustments to that. Go to VIP and you're going to grab this dress and we're going to toggle it to the third toggle in this flower pattern. If I can just find it. This one. And then grab the cardigan as well. This one. In this color FF9FC9. Then for the shoes, we're going to grab these shoes here in this color. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit darker actually. In 2E3242. Except for the lace, I think I'm just going to leave it. Should I leave it like that? Or wait, hold on. I think I'll do the white laces. Then for the top, it's also another VIP item here. It's this corset over here. Toggle off the bow and make it matte in that same pattern. For all of it, except for the ruffles, we're going to do this purple color, 936FBA. And then the lace, I'm just going to color white and like pink, I don't know. Like that. I'll just do white then. And that is pretty much it. Super cute. Looks very similar to the actual cat Valentine because we do have the like Ariana Grande face. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!